Hello everyone, how to solve this problem for the values of t if we have t minus 1 divided by 1 minus t is equals to 1, and we solve this problem for the values of t. So here we solve this problem for two methods, and I hope so you like both of these methods. But if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. Now the very first thing we are going to do is in the first we see here the exponent of this term is 1, so we will just cross multiply the terms and it will be written as t minus 1 is multiplied by 1 is equals to 1 is multiplied by 1 minus t. And now further in the next step, you see here 1 times of t minus 1 becomes here t minus 1 is equals to, this is 1 times of 1 minus t is equals to 1 minus t. And because we saw this problem for the values of t, so that we need to move this minus t in the left hand side, and it will becomes here plus t, and we move this minus 1 to the right hand side and it will becomes 1 plus 1. You see here this is negative term, when we move in the right hand side it will becomes positive. So you see here we have t plus t becomes here 2t is equals to 1 plus 1 becomes here 2. And now here in the next step we need to divide both of the sides by t for the both of the sides by 2 for the values of t. You see here this 2 is cancelled out by this 2 and this 2 is cancelled out by this 2, and finally we have the value of t is equals to 1. So this is the our final value of t. And now here further in the next step we need to verify this value of t. Is this value of t satisfied our given question statement or not? So that for verification of this value we need to copy down our given question statement. Here it is t minus 1 divided by 1 minus t is equals to 1. This is the our given question statement. And now here we need to put the value of t is equals to 1 in the left hand side of this equation, and we check that is this satisfied over this equation or not. So you see here this is 1 minus 1 is divided by this is 1 minus 1, and you see here it is equals to 1. And now you focus on both of these terms and you see here 1 minus 1 becomes 0, and this 1 minus 1 is also becomes here 0. So this is equals to 1, and here you see that 0 over 0 is the indeterminate form, so we cannot solve these types of questions. It means that this is not solvable term. So here you see that 0 is this term is not equals to 1. So you see that both of the sides are not equal. For t is equals to 1, so this means that our value of t is equals to 1 is not satisfied our given equation. So here we finally conclude in method number 1 is that our given equation has no solution. Okay, so you see here from first method we clearly see that our given equation has no solution because the value of t is not satisfied our given equation. And now here in the next step we move forward towards the second method. And in second method we first need to copy down our given question statement here, so that our given question statement is t minus 1 divided by 1 minus t is equals to 1. This is the our given question statement. And here in the second method we need some working in the left hand side, and if you focus in the numerator term, when we take common minus 1 from the above terms, it will be written as from here we will get 1 minus t. When we take common negative sign, you just change all of these signs of the expression. Okay, so it is divided by this is 1 minus t is equals to 1, And you see here, this 1 minus t is cancelled out by this 1 minus t, and we will get here minus 1 is equals to plus 1. So in second method, you clearly see that over these two values are not equal, or in other words we say that this is not possible. Okay, it is not possible. Minus 1 is equals to plus 1. So if this is not possible, so this means that our given equation has no solution for the value of t. So in the second method, again we conclude that our given equation has no solution. So I hope so you like both of these methods, but if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.